You're watching David and Seth the Bros.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's David, and today we are back in another video. And what do you think is under my Switch? Guess what kind of Switch game it is, okay? 3, 2, 1. I got Super Mario 3D World plus Bowser's Fury. And today, I'm going to be unboxing it. This game is really cool. I've wanted it for a long time, right, since it came out. And here's the back of it. It goes up to 4 players. And it's 2 games in one. It's kind of like it's like the other Super Mario game that has Super Mario, Super Mario 64, Super Mario Galaxy, and Super Mario Sunshine. But it's only 2 games. What I really like about this game is that there's a new power-up, and there's another game that makes you go on a longer journey. I don't know which one's longer, but I'll find out when I'm playing the game. But now, further to do, it's time to open this thing up. Alright guys, so now I cut the box, and we're gonna be opening it up to see what's inside. Alright guys, so now I finished opening it, and it actually looks way better than what it is under the cover. And now, whoa, guys, it has Bowser Fury. Look, that's Mario. There's Bowser Jr. with a paintbrush. And then there's Bowser Fury. And then we got the insert card, which is also known as the game. So right now, we're going to put it inside of the Nintendo Switch. As you can see, me and Seth are playing Fortnite and stuff like that, but now, not today. You got Super Mario 3D World plus Bowser's Fury in the Switch. Now you guys are going to watch me play the game. I'm super excited, guys. Whoa! What? You can actually pick by this? I'm gonna play Super Mario 3D World. This is really cool. I didn't even have to say it. He ended up saying it himself. I'm gonna be Mario. I'm gonna skip this. You guys can watch it when you wanna. I've never played this game before. I'm gonna at least try, because I played Deluxe, so I'm gonna try playing. That's the jump button. Oh, you can run faster like that. Oh. Okay, we got that guy. Oh, Cat Mario. Okay, I know how to ground pound. Oh, you can do tricks like that. Okay. What a dash. Oh, that's how you dash. Oh, I almost fell off the map though. Oh, that's how you climb walls. Oh, great. I failed. No, that's okay. How do you climb? Alright, we're over here. Let's go. Woohoo! Yaha! Oh, we're going in a pipe. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna hit the checkpoint. Oh, hey. Oh, that's the goalpost. We're gonna follow this guy. I've played Galaxy before. Oh, wait. Oh, I don't have any stars. Okay, you know what? Never mind. It's a cat bell. But we have one already, so let's climb up here. Stash. Here, guys. Oh! Oh! What? I'm big! Woo! Whoa! Whee! Woo! What? This game is so good, you should try it out yourself. Oh, can you... How do you climb? Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh man, I almost hit the pole. Yeah! Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like and enjoy the video. Hope you liked it. You're watching David and Seth the Bros. Peace! Thanks, Dad.
You're watching David and Seth the Bros.